Let us study one of the methods to find the focal length of a convex lens. We have taken a convex lens and a sheet of paper on the table with the sun out in the sky. Adjust the position of the sheet of paper such that a bright, sharp spot of light is formed on the paper, and then hold in this position for few minutes. This spot of light is the image of the sun on the sheet of paper. We see that the paper at first begins to produce smoke and eventually catches fire. The light from sun is converged at a point, sharp, bright spot by the mirror. This point is the focus point of the convex lens where all the sun rays concentrate or converge. Hence, by finding the distance between this image or the sheet of paper and the convex lens gives the approximate value of the focal length of the convex lens.